What is your favorite travel destination and why?
I love visiting Italy because of its rich history, amazing architecture, and incredible cuisine.
How do you usually plan your trips?
My trip planning involves reading travel blogs, using travel apps to find deals, and consulting travel forums for recommendations.
What are some memorable experiences you've had while traveling?
I'll never forget hiking the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, seeing the northern lights in Norway, and scuba diving in the Great Barrier Reef.
How do you prepare for a long journey?
To get ready for a long trip, I check travel advisories, ensure I have travel insurance, and download movies and books for the flight.
What do you like to do when you visit a new city?
In a new city, I enjoy visiting museums, taking walking tours, and shopping at local markets.
How do you decide where to go on vacation?
My vacation decisions are based on recommendations from friends, weather conditions, and special events happening at the destination.
What is the most interesting place you have ever visited?
I found the Great Wall of China fascinating due to its impressive scale and the history behind its construction.
How do you deal with jet lag after traveling?
To manage jet lag, I take short naps, avoid caffeine and alcohol, and use sleep aids like melatonin.
What is your favorite way to spend a day off?
I enjoy reading a good book, going for a hike, and trying out new recipes in the kitchen.
What are some travel tips you can share?
I also recommend packing light, using packing cubes for organization, and having a flexible itinerary to adapt to changes.